How to fix call indeed problem on Android? Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to fix call indeed problems on your Android device, first thing first, you need to ensure that you have enough balance on your device. If you don't have enough balance, maybe that creates call indeed problem on your Android device. To check that, you simply need to open the dialer on your device and then enter codes. So depending upon your SIM card, the code will be different. And by entering the code and dialing the code, you can easily see and check your balance. If your balance is not enough, you simply need to recharge your balance and then fix the call indeed issue on your Android device. The next step you need to follow is simply clear the phone app cache and data. Corrupted data in the phone app may be causing the call issues, so that clearing the cache can help you. For that, simply tap and hold the call application and tap on the I button here. Once you get access to the app info page, select storage users and clear cache and tap clear data, and to confirm clear the data by deleting the data. The third step you need to follow is simply reinsert the SIM card. For that, you can simply power off your phone, remove the SIM card using a SIM ejector tool or paperclip, and wait for a few seconds. Then you can reinsert the SIM card carefully. Then you need to power the phone back on and solve the issue. If none of the issues or settings work for this kind of issue, simply you need to restart your device once, and after that you can easily fix the call indeed problem on your Android device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.